Today we're going full sci-fi. I'll show you how to create an Optimus Prime style voice effect in InShot.
It's that deep, powerful, robotic voice that sounds like it came straight from a Transformers movie.
Let's jump in. Start by importing your video or audio clip into the timeline. If your video already has audio, tap on it and select Extract Audio. This lets us edit the voice separately. Now, tap on the audio layer and scroll through the toolbar until you find Voice Effects. Here, choose the robot voice effect.
It gives your audio that mechanical, metallic tone. To make it sound more like Optimus Prime, you can adjust the pitch if available on your device or combine it with other tools like EQ or speed control.
To slow it slightly for a deeper feel. Once you're happy with how it sounds, hit the check mark to apply the effect. And that's it. You've created an Optimus Prime style voice effect using just the built-in tools in InShot. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more powerful editing tips.